Good day and welcome to our mentoring session. Our topic is about how to compute weighted mean using Excel. Now, before that, we need to prepare our data first. No? So, let us assume that our data uh, are coming from different indicators, no, of the study. No? For example, among the indicators measured is about product color, product texture, product taste, and product odor. Okay, so here let's put the word product odor as among the important, no, category or indicator in a particular measurement. Now, let us also consider that there are 200 respondents participated in the survey. No? This is a product survey, and it is also an important, very important consideration that every time we work on our tally sheets, we work on our frequency counts, we have focused on the total number of respondents who uh, religiously responded according to a specific scale, such as 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the total must be 200 always. Now, let us assume that we have already data, no, process, no, for the purpose. Okay, so for example, here are the data. Now, out of 200, there are 90 respondents who responded 5, no, based on Likert scale. And there are 65 out of 200 responded 4. There are 25 responded 3. There are 20 responded 2. And none responded 1. Okay, so for purposes of this activity, let us copy the scores, no, over here to be considered in the computation of weighted mean using Excel. So as you can see here, um, okay, so 200, no? So there is an exact count, no, of the scores. Okay, so 200. Now, let us compute now using the formula, no, in Excel. So type equal sum, close and open parentheses. Okay, open parentheses. And then we're going to take the first combination. The first combination is 5, scale 5 and 90. No? Okay, so let's have 90 times or multiplied by 5. This one. So open. Now in our formula box, no, it is a must that we indicate dollar sign in this particular area. Can you see that? Simply because we want the values um, uh, be held constant. Okay, during the time you copy and paste the formula. So again, we're indicating dollar sign to indicate uh, uh, constants, no, of the value. Okay, let's have the plus sign and then the open parentheses. Now let's work on the next combination, which is 65 multiplied by 4. So 65 multiplied by 4, close parentheses, and then indicate the dollar sign. There we go. And the plus sign. Okay. So you have now your plus sign, and moving on to combination 25 and 3, or scale 3. So 25 multiplied by 3, close. Okay, indicate dollar sign, indicate dollar sign there. And then moving on with the plus sign, and this time let us consider combination uh, uh, 2, like scale 2, okay, under scale 2, okay. So let's take the combination, so multiplied by 2, close. Okay, so of course the dollar sign and the dollar sign. Now, last but not the least is another combination under scale 1. Okay, so open parentheses and then the value under scale 1 multiplied by scale number 1. And of course, don't forget to indicate the dollar sign. And that completes our formula in Excel. Now with that, um, we need to have another close and open parentheses to both side of the formula, no, and that indicates, no, um, the final closing, no, or end of the formula. And then you are going to divide the entire formula with the constant 200, which refers to the total number of respondents participated in the survey. So you have there your 200 as a constant number in the formula. Okay. Oh, so it seems there's a problem in the formula. So let's take a look. Okay, so I can see it now. We lock one open and close parentheses over that area. So here we go. And it works. Okay, so um, it is a must, no, to really observe important uh, s- numbers, letters, and symbols in the formula, or else we might be having some problems in uh, uh, the computation or in the formula. Okay, so that's it. So you have your 4.13 as your weighted mean. So what is that? As far as verbal description is concerned, so this is good. Okay, so 4.13 is having a verbal description of good. Okay, now since you have already the formula, okay, then you can simply copy and paste that. Copy and then paste it here, the formula. Or the other way around, no? Alright, the other way around. Look at the symbol here at the corner, the one, okay, the one like a dot, and then click and drag. So it will provide you the same uh, copy and pasting of the formula. Okay, so you have already the formula. What is lacking now, okay, are the values, no? Here are the data, no? Now, okay, so for purposes of proceeding with the computation, let us uh, assume uh, data, the following data. Okay, for example, there, and for example, these are the data under product taste and under product order. For example, okay, let's have this data. Okay, so here now it is already checked. No, so far the total is 200, and the total also is 200, and it is also checked that the total of all these numbers or responses is 200 rather. Okay, so let's copy and paste the following and bring them to the calculator uh, area, no, in this area where we are going to calculate. Okay, so we are consistent with the total, right? So here we have 200, 200, 200, and our weighted mean portion, no, um, a while ago, this area, okay, is 0, okay, but now there are already values, okay. For product texture, there is 3.52. For product taste, there is 4.17. And for product order, there is 3.58. Okay, so that is the result of our computation for weighted mean using Excel. All right, so let's take a look on the assumptions. Now, total number of respondents 200. Likert scale use scale 5 or scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wherein 5 refers to very good, wherein 4 refers to good, wherein 3 refers to moderately good, 2 refers to bad, and 1 refers to very bad. So the scenario is like there was an activity about product development maybe, and there were food tasters requested or participated in the survey, you know, and then um, they're going to provide their scores about the product, you know, um, uh, included in the activity for purposes of tasting and for purposes of coming up with a survey in terms of color, texture, taste, and product odor. Okay, so this is the result of our computation using Excel formula. Okay, so I hope you learned something about this simple uh, process of computing weighted mean in Excel. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye bye.